Today is October 28th. My classmates are out laying pipe on the streets of Manchester. Alright, let's do the daily leetcode. So basically, this problem, right? This is a daily leetcode problem. It's called count values permutation. Is it hard? Okay. But pretty much, yeah, we are given an integer n, and we have to give it another integer, and it's the how many strings of length n can be formed with these rules given below. But pretty much, yeah, they give us a string and we have to return a string. And this is pretty much the diagram I drew. This is the most important one right here. A goes to E goes to A, blah 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 blah. But pretty much A can go to one option, which is E. E can go to two options, A and I. I can go to four options, A, E, O, and U. O can go to two options, I and U can only go to one. Right, and pretty much this is what we have, and this is like the first layer, the second layer. This would be the second layer, right? And then the third layer is like a big tree, but this would be n equals 1, n equals 2. And what's important here is that we're not taking the sum of both. We just want this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want, if they give us 2, then the expected answer is 10. Okay, and what I did here was, I think it's a DFS. I'm not sure, but it just go through this, and then I passed in I passed in an array of chars to keep track. This was the very primitive brute force method, and it, it it exceeds the time limit very quickly. See, I didn't even get past 1/8 of the test cases. So after studying this one, I would like to attempt to try to analyze this and then code it myself. Okay, so so clearly the big difference here is that they don't use a char array. They just have a bunch of numbers, longs, and I think this is the logic for going through the branches and keeping it abstract away from the characters themselves. And I just failed to do that because, yeah, I'm humbled. Anyways, pretty much it just does math and then modulos it because they want us to modulo it because the number is too big. But anyways, yeah, they add these, add, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah, and then returns the sum of all of this. Okay, and I'm not sure why they have modulo in here. It might be because only these are the ones that get really long. But yeah, I'm gonna try to code it up. So okay, let me draw out the logic and then I'll code it out. So let's see. So have one modulo, and then what we have 5 longs, one for loop, and in the for loops we want to update or create temporary temp longs, update these longs, and return int of sum of 5 longs. So actually, I think it's a very hard medium question in my opinion. That's what the smart people would say. I'm copying them right now. Anyways, you don't even need a DFS. That was foolish of me. So like I wrote, let's have a long modulo, which is let's see, where's the modulo? Okay, long mod equals 10 to the 9, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's it. Let's try this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Good. And then we create the 5 longs, right? Long A, B, C, D. Actually, I don't know how he declared it so quickly. Let me check. Okay, yeah, that's how you declare. Long A equals 1, E equals 1, I equals 1. Because we set these as 1 because in the beginning, right? Even if n equals 1, you can have A, E, I, O, U. So it always will start out as 5. And then in the end, we want to return int A plus E plus I plus O plus U. Like this. Mod. Okay. Lots of parentheses. Okay. Let's get into the for loop. For int I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now let's update it. Temp. Okay. Long A next will be equal to A will be equal to how many? How many options does it have? It has one option. So and it's E. So we would add E to it. Long E next would be equal to A plus I. And I remember he added a modulo because I guess these numbers get pretty big. Long I next equals, okay, this is a lot, A, E, O, U. A plus E plus O plus U. And mod it. Long O next is equal to I and U. And then we mod that. Good. And long U next is equal to A. Okay. And what we do is we update it. A equals A next. B equals B next. Oh, no. We don't have B. Control. E equals E next. I equals I next. O equals O next. U equals U next. Okay. And let's test this. There is an error because I don't know how to do parentheses. Why is that there? Okay. And I think this works. Wait, hold on. Wait, okay, we add this here and here. Let's try this. Variable I is already defined. I should have seen that coming. J. Let's do J. If I doesn't work, go J. If J doesn't work, I think it's K. You just go. The alphabet starts from I when you're doing for loops. U equals U next is not. Oh my goodness. Here we go. We got the wrong answer. Okay. Let's see. What did I write? I think it's a problem with the modulo. I'm not sure. Wait, actually, no, it's not. Let's see. Okay, I think we did one extra iteration. We should have started at 1. Okay, yeah, that makes sense because If it was 0, right? If it was 0, it wouldn't go through. Okay, if it was 1, we wanted 5. If it was 2, we wanted 10. But we gave 5 here. Oh, we gave 10 here. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, because we didn't want to start at 0. Because that means... Would that mean 0 triggered? No, it wouldn't. Okay, 0 would I think would have triggered twice then. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was like one of the it was like for loop increments. This should be it, yeah. Good. This is my second day streak. Yesterday was combination sum. Yeah. Still a long way to go for me. But hopefully I can keep this up till I don't know, I get an internship or something. And later today I think I'll do a little marathon because I'm not going out. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Okay.